Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new unboxing. Today we are unboxing together. We're doing a first impressions on the Fall Fab Fit Fun Box. This thing is humongous, you guys. So you guys know that I have partnered up with Fab Fit Fun in the past, and I don't know where I was before FabFitFun. So I discovered so many new brands when I first tried them out a few months ago. I unboxed for the first time their summer box, and honestly, I fell in love with them. So here I am again today. We are unboxing the fall box. Like, oh my god, where is time? Seriously, it's just like flying by. Anyways, yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much to the intro because I really want to dig into the box. I'm like dying to see what is in here. So if you guys want to unbox your box or just watch me unbox it and see what goodies we get, then go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated with all my videos. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, you guys, so if you are not aware, if you've been living under a rock and you're like, what is FabFitFun? So this is a monthly, not a monthly, it's a subscription box so that you pay $49.99. But if you use my discount code OMG for the first time, you get $10 off. And this is a seasonal box. So you get your summer box, your fall box, and then I want to say your spring box. I'm not sure. I will have like all of the details in the description box down below. But yeah, so you only get this 4 times a year, which is pretty cool. And the one thing that I like, well, many of the things that I like about this box is that you get different things. Unlike BoxyCharm, obviously I love makeup. My channel is all about makeup, but I also like to dabble into lifestyle, and sometimes you get beauty, you get lifestyle, you get wellness. So you get to try a little bit of everything. So with that said, opening up the box, you have always here a cute little magazine, and here we have Meghan Trainor. Meghan Trainor reminds me so much of my daughter, and the reason why is because my daughter is obsessed with Dear Future Husband. I think that's what it's called, the song. Do you remember who this is? Who is that? Remember? Dear Future Husband. When you open it, you will have all the information of the prices of the products that you received in your box. I have no idea what we have in here, but I am super excited. So now we have here the Fall in Love with FabFitFun. I'm gifting you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. That's a $200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $34.99. So you guys can also use this code if you are interested in signing up for the box, which is really not a bad price. Like if you're getting $200 worth of stuff for $50 and you only pay it every now and then, it's really not bad. We received again the HelloFresh $80 gift card. I already used mine from last time and I love it. I just don't keep the service because I actually enjoy like making my own meals. But if you are a busy mom or whatever it may be, if you just want to try something new, this is actually a pretty cool idea. And if you guys don't know, FabFitFun does let you customize some of your items on your box or in your box. So now let's see what I got in my box, and they are available in the US and Canada. Oh, and in the UK too. So first things first, we have here, what is this? This is a Kate Spade bag. Oh my god. Okay, let me open this up. Oh my god, you guys. Kate Spade is like a very, very expensive brand. I have been dying to get myself some of her flats, like the cute little flats, but they're expensive. And so I kind of been, putting that off. So this is a Kate Spade. Oh, it's a lunch tote. So ditch the paper bag and opt for this cute lunch box, which features an insulated interior to keep your food cool. Oh wow, this is 30 bucks. That's actually not bad. I thought it was a makeup bag, but I mean, that's cool if you want to use it as a lunch bag. This is my job, so I wouldn't get much use out of this, but I know that my sister would because she works. So maybe I can like gift this to her and just be like, happy Christmas. Happy early Christmas, happy merry early Christmas or something. I know that she would use this a lot more than I would. I mean, I can totally use this as a makeup bag, honestly, if I really wanted to. But I feel like she might use this a little bit more than me. And it says here, out to lunch. That is so cute. Oh my god. I really like this. Ooh, next up we have this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair. So this protects your hair from heat styling. Oh my god, it's a leave-in treatment. Shake well, work a small amount of products in hands, apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. Wow, that is super cool. I'm actually always on the hunt for a good like leave-in treatments or anything that's going to keep my hair healthy, because I do have really long hair, and obviously like I want to try and keep it as healthy as I can. Even though my hair is naturally curly, I do put a lot of heat on it. So I'm really excited to try this because I just used up my leave-in treatment. So we're gonna see. Ooh, that smells pretty good. It has a very like minty scent. I'm actually just going to put this on my ends, even though it says on damp hair, but this one retails for $30. Wow. This is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. Wow, that's pretty expensive for something like this. It is a 3.4 fluid ounce, which actually is like, it actually matches this because it's like a bamboo brown taupey color. Next up we have Bubble Bar. Guys, this is what I mean when you get so much like good quality for what you're paying. So this is from Bubble Bar. Bubble Bar is also a pretty expensive jewelry brand. Let's see how much this one retails for. This one retails for $34. This is from the intricate embellishments to the modern silhouettes. These earrings are absolute showstoppers. So it is a ear crawler. The ear crawlers are the ones that go like this. That is super cute. I actually want to try one on. So this is what the earrings look like. I think that is super cute, like for a date night, or if you have like a fancy party to go to. I think these will bring your outfits to like over here. Oh my god, I already see something that I know I'm going to absolutely love. So I have here this plush, stay warm and stylish, ultra soft plaid scarf. Oh my god, you guys. I live in Utah, okay? If you didn't know that, I live in Utah. It is extremely cold here when the winter comes, which we're not that far away from winter in Utah. It's going to start getting pretty cold probably within the next month, and it is scarf season, especially for fall. I love me a good scarf. So this one is, nothing says fall like a cozy scarf, especially when it comes in a classic plaid print. Wow, this retails for 75 bucks. That is expensive. This. Oh my god, I am so excited to try this. I am honestly not that good at like styling scarves. I usually just like to throw them on like this. I'll fluff them up a little bit, and then with a nice like cute little jacket that looks cute, you can also just like pull it like this. And then you just kind of like fluff it up. Oh my god, this is cute. This has to be like my favorite thing so far, for sure. Next up are these exfoliating sugar cubes. These are by the brand Harper Plus Ari. Oh my god, Juice Cleanse. Wow. These Delight Sugar Cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. So these retail for $16, and this is what it looks like. Honestly, they look like super amazing for the skin. Oh my god, they smell so good. They smell like cucumber with some sort of fruit. I can't pinpoint what it is, but it smells really, really good. Oh my god, I am definitely putting this in my shower. When I take a shower tonight, I am using these. Oh my god, we have Wonder Beauty, you guys. Wonder Beauty is a product that we actually got in a BoxyCharm recently. This is a really, really good brand, and I'm so happy to see it here. These are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. It's a 6-pack. These eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. These retail for $25 for 6 pairs. I love eye masks so much. I have a few of them and I've never tried these. I'm not going to open it right now because obviously I'm wearing a full face of makeup. I like to throw these in the fridge for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will take them out, pop them on my eyes or underneath my eyes, and my eyes feel so refreshed, so awake. They look a little bit less puffy because of the coolness that you add when you throw them in the fridge. So I am definitely going to use these a lot, every single one. Next up is this Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. This is a body souffle, vegan and cruelty-free, naturally derived. Wow, okay. So it's a lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Human plus Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Apply as needed to soothe and moisturize skin. Oh my god, I actually needed a good lotion, a good crema, because I just go through my lotions so much. Oh my god, I can't open this. I am excited to smell this. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. Yummy. So this one retails for $16, which is really not bad because this is a 6.76 fluid ounce. That is quite a bit. That is a lot. I'm actually probably going to keep this downstairs in my makeup room so I don't go through it as fast. The last thing that we have here is this Skin Evolve Body Boost Gel. Oh my god, that is so cool. This is a toning, firming, and smoothing pre-workout activator. What? This retails for $45. It is formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin. Okay, so here's the deal. I don't work out, okay? I am the laziest person in this planet, and I just don't work out. I always tell myself that I'm going to work out, and then I go work out. I sign up for the gym. I go for like a good month, and then I lose inspiration. So I know I'm not going to use this for sure. I think this is a great idea. Like, that's pretty cool if it actually tones, firms, and smooths your skin. That is amazing. One of my very best friends as well, her name is Allison, which she's actually my husband's, my fiance's cousin. She is a workout freak. So I'm going to give this to her because I know that she'll definitely use it way more than me. And sharing is caring. So I'm definitely going to hook her up with this. And if you guys are interested in knowing if it works, I will have her update me on all this. And we'll see. I don't know. This one looks pretty cool though. That is it, you guys. That is everything that I received in this fall FabFitFun Fall Box 2019. Honestly, like, everything was good. Even the products that I feel I'm not personally going to use, such as this or the lunchbox. Like, these are things that I honestly don't see myself using, but I'm glad that I know about them, because if my friend likes this, now she knows about this product. And without a box like this, like, you tend to not try out things like this, if that makes sense. So I'm excited about everything. I'm excited about these little sugar scrub cubes. I'm excited about my little eye patches because, honey, I don't sleep. I need them in my life. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this FabFitFun unboxing, and a huge thank you to the team at FabFitFun for working with me once again. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, concerns, whatever it is, leave them in the comment section down below. I am hungry, so I'm going to go eat. We're going to make some carne asada. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.